Welcome to Ancient Minds, Modern Moves. Bridging the wisdom of the past with the demands of the future. In this final episode, we bring the entire journey together. No matter how brilliant the plan or how strong the action, lasting success depends on one thing: unity. Great leaders know that victory doesn't come from individual brilliance, but from collective strength when people move in sync and guided by shared purpose and trust. Sun Tzu teaches that true strength comes when the entire force, leaders and followers alike, share the same intent. A united team doesn't need constant control. They understand the mission, trust each other, and act as one. This is the essence of Tongwu, unity of command, where leadership turns from direction into alignment and from coordination into true teamwork. In modern leadership, unity means more than agreement, it's shared ownership. When the team's purpose becomes personal, alignment happens naturally, and execution becomes effortless. From preparation to adaptability, from execution to unity, this has been a journey through the art of war on leading teams today. Each episode revealed a truth. Preparation sets direction. Adaptability builds resilience. Execution drives progress, and unity turns it all into lasting success. Leadership isn't about commanding others, it's about inspiring people to move forward together. When a team shares purpose, trusts one another, and acts as one, strategy becomes momentum, and momentum becomes victory. That's how great leaders turn vision into reality and lead their teams from planning to winning. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the art of war on leading teams today. If these lessons sparked new insights, hit like and subscribe to stay connected, because leadership and learning never stop. I also love to hear from you. Which idea from Sun Tzu's Art of War would you like to see applied to today's workplace or leadership challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below, they might shape the next series. In time, we'll return to explore more about applying ancient wisdom to today's modern world, uncovering new ways timeless principles can guide the way we lead, learn, and grow. Until then, let's keep moving forward, from planning to winning.